Hi everyone, my name is Liang Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our course is about measure words. 量词 is a very important point for us to form a complete sentence. So let's start it. So first of all, we should get familiar with this expression, measure words. For typical noun, it's called 量词. 量词. 量 is measure. 词 is word. 量词. So, the first thing we have is a desk, which we call 一张桌子. You cannot say 一桌子 or 一个桌子, then that will be kind of strange. Have to use 张, flat tone, 张, 张, 一张桌子. 一张桌子. And then this is eraser. 两块橡皮. 两块橡皮. And this is 块. This is the second meaning we have learned about 块. 块. First we have the meaning of yuan for money, and then we know it can describe something is square. 一块, 两块, 两块橡皮. What else can it use for? Cake. 一块蛋糕, a piece of cake. 一块蛋糕. And then 四支铅笔. 铅笔 is pencil. And 四 is for, we have learned it, 支 used to describe pen, pencil. 四支铅笔. 四支铅笔. 四支铅笔 flat tone, 支, 支. And then this is a pair of shoes. 一双鞋. 一双鞋. 一双鞋 we use 双 to describe a pair of something. 一双鞋. This is clothes. 一件衣服. 一件衣服. Fourth tone. 件. 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 And this is a plate of fruit. A plate of fruit. So we should use plate. 盘. 盘 means plate. 一盘水果. Second tone. 盘. 盘. 一盘水果. 一盘水果. And then we have a flower. This is two flowers. 两朵花. 两朵花. Remember this is third tone. 朵, 朵, 朵. 两朵花. 两朵花. And then this is window, door. 一扇窗. 一扇门 we both use 扇. Fourth tone. 扇. 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 一扇窗. 窗 is window. 一扇门 we learned it. 门 door. 一扇窗. 一扇门. And then this is a computer. 一台电脑. Second tone. 台. T, I, 台. 一台电脑. 一台电脑. And you can use this to describe TV too. 一台电视. 电视 is TV. 一台电视. 一台电脑. Read after me. 一台电脑. 台. And then this is car. 车一辆车 Fourth tone 一辆车 Look, the half of this character is 车 is car, so you can use it to tell that this is for describe a car. 一辆车 And this is a cruise. 一艘轮船 The huge cruise we use 轮船 And there is a 舟 Half of this character 船 which means ship has a 舟 as part of it. We have learned 划龙舟 舟 have meaning of small boat, dragon boat, and for ship it's 船 and 轮船 is cruise. 一艘轮船 and look for 艘 we have 舟 as part of it too. So you can easily see it's for describe a ship. 一艘船一艘轮船一艘轮船 flat tone so and then a plane 一架飞机一架飞机一架飞机 fourth tone 架 fourth tone 架架一架飞机 This is not 一架 because 架 is fourth tone. You need to pronounce E to second tone. 一架 and here because so is flat tone, so the E become fourth tone. 一艘 and here is 一架 plane 飞机飞机飞机一架飞机 and then this is horse 一匹马一匹马 and P can use to describe wolf. Wolf is 狼一匹狼一匹狼 and here 一匹马一匹马 This is cow. And ox or cow we can use 头 which is head because which have another meaning head 一头牛一头牛 牛 is cow or 牛 is cow or ox 一头牛一头牛 And this is a group of sheep 一群羊一群羊一群羊群 a group of something 一群羊 What about 一群人 a group of people 一群人一群羊一群羊羊 sheep 羊一群羊 And this is a picture 一幅画一幅画一幅画幅 second tone 一幅画一幅画 And this is 3 cats 三只猫三只猫 猫 is cat 只 is 只 You can use this for 羊 We just learned 羊 So what about one sheep 一只羊 2 两只羊 one cat 一只猫一只猫 And this is a tree. For one tree, it is 一棵树一棵树 Sorry, there's 2 trees. And it's 两棵树 Remember flat tone 棵 棵棵两棵树两棵树两棵树 So this is the course today. We have learned a lot of new expression. Hope you can do some review. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and go through our website. If you have any suggestion, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework.